Hello friends. Today, I will show you. To update group policy in Windows 10, you can use the command prompt to force a group policy update. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. View by large icons. And go to the File Explorer options. Select View, and go to the Show Hidden Files, and turn on under the Advanced Settings. Turn on Hide Protected Operating System Files. Close the window. And go to this PC, and go C Drive. Go Windows. Go System 32. And go Group Policy. Now need to backup machine and user policy and select and copy the files. Create folder and paste here the file. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and click Run as administrator. Open the command prompt interface. And type here GPUpdate and press Enter. Do you see the updating policy? Do you force update? So type here GPUpdate/force. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.